Hi, everyone. Welcome back to the English Learning Podcast. I'm Tom.
And I'm Amy. Today we have a fun topic, learning English with daily chores.
That's right. We'll talk about your home, your daily activities, and we'll teach simple English phrases you can use every day.
Whether you are cleaning, cooking, or just relaxing at home, this episode will help you speak English naturally.
And don't forget, if you like this podcast, hit that like button and subscribe. It really helps us keep making these lessons.
Okay, let's get started. Ready, Tom?
Ready. So, Amy, let's start with morning chores. What do you usually do first in the morning?
I usually make my bed.
Ah, yes. Make my bed means you put your sheets and blanket neatly on your bed.
Let's practice together. Repeat after me. I make my bed.
I make my bed.
I make my bed.
Great. And after making the bed, many people brush their teeth.
Right. Simple phrase. I brush my teeth. Easy, right?
Let's try a full morning example. Amy, say it slowly.
First, I make my bed. Then, I brush my teeth. Next, I eat breakfast.
Perfect. And you can give examples of breakfast too.
My quick breakfast is a banana.
Good. I usually eat toast.
Repeat after me. I eat toast for breakfast.
I eat toast for breakfast.
I eat toast for breakfast.
Now let's talk about cleaning the house.
Yes, some simple phrases. I wash the dishes. I sweep the floor. I take out the trash.
Let's practice each one. First, I wash the dishes. I wash the dishes.
I wash the dishes.
Great. Next, I sweep the floor. I sweep the floor.
I sweep the floor.
And last, I take out the trash. I take out the trash.
I take out the trash. You're improving already. Now, let's make a simple daily routine dialogue.
Okay, I'll be John. Amy, you be Sarah.
Okay.
Hi, Sarah. What are you doing now?
Hi, John. I am sweeping the floor.
Great. I am washing the dishes.
After that, I will make my bed.
Perfect. See? Short sentences, very easy.
Next, let's learn talking about your room.
Yes, some words: bed, table, chair, window, door, kitchen.
And simple sentences. My bed is big. The chair is brown.
Or I put my books on the table.
Let's repeat together. I put my books on the table.
I put my books on the table.
I put my books on the table.
Another fun one. I open the window. I open the window.
I open the window.
Easy, right? Use these phrases every day and you'll remember them.
Now let's combine chores and your home.
For example, I sweep the floor in my room.
Or, I wash the dishes in the kitchen.
Let's practice a full day example. Amy, you start.
First, I make my bed in my room. Then, I brush my teeth. Next, I eat breakfast. After breakfast, I wash the dishes in the kitchen. Then, I sweep the floor.
Excellent. Repeat after me slowly. I make my bed. I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast. I wash the dishes. I sweep the floor. I make my bed. I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast. I wash the dishes. I sweep the floor.
I make my bed, I brush my teeth, I eat breakfast, I wash the dishes, I sweep the floor. Amazing. You are speaking English naturally already.
One more fun activity. Talking about laundry.
Easy phrases. I wash my clothes. I dry my clothes. I fold my clothes.
Let's see it together. I wash my clothes. I wash my clothes.
I wash my clothes. I dry my clothes.
I dry my clothes.
I dry my clothes. I fold my clothes.
I fold my clothes.
I fold my clothes.
See how easy it is? Just repeat, use these phrases, and your English will grow.
Okay, Tom, we've talked about morning chores, cleaning, laundry, and rooms.
Yes, that's a lot of vocabulary.
Let's quickly review key phrases.
Make your bed, brush your teeth, eat breakfast, wash the dishes, sweep the floor, wash your clothes, dry your clothes, fold your clothes.
Perfect. Repeat after us one more time.
Make your bed, brush your teeth, eat breakfast, wash the dishes, sweep the floor, wash your clothes, dry your clothes, fold your clothes.
Make your bed, brush your teeth, eat breakfast, wash the dishes, sweep the floor, wash your clothes, dry your clothes, fold your clothes.
That's all for today's episode. Great job following along.
Yes, you're improving already. Keep practicing these phrases every day.
And here's a fun question for our listeners. What's the first thing you do in the morning?
Tell us in the comments. We'd love to read your answers.
Don't forget to like this episode, subscribe, and share with a friend who wants to practice English at home.
Thanks for hanging out with us today. See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.